Hi guys, so this is chapter 8, lesson 4. We are going to use inverse, sine, cosine, and tangent, which means we're going to find the measure of an angle. So like I told you the other day, sine, cosine, and tangent are operations. They're functions, like a square root is an operation or a function. So I can undo that operation. So if I'm looking for this angle x here, this is my right angle, I have the opposite and the hypotenuse. I can set up a sine ratio, but my variable is here. Now I need to undo this sine function. So to undo that operation, I'm going to use an inverse sine. So we write that by writing sine to the negative first power of 160 over 250. So in my calculator, I am going to press second sine 160 over 250. 39.79. So my angle is 39.79 degrees. So inverse sine, inverse cosine, inverse tangent, these all undo sine, cosine, and tangent. All right, so let's try an example. We want to find this angle A. Let's call this 18. So we first have to figure out which ratio we have. We have opposite and we have hypotenuse, so sine of A, 18 over 30. So you write A equals sine inverse 18 over 30. Put it in your calculator. Second sine 18 over 30. 3687. Degrees. So on number 3, same idea, but now we have adjacent and hypotenuse. So we're going to use the cosine of angle A is 6750 over 8100. So A is about, so I'm going to use second cosine now, 6750 over 8100. 33.56. For number 4, you're going to do a 50-foot flagpole. For number 5, Elise is standing on the top of a 20-foot building. For number 6, okay, so you're going to solve, I do want to talk about this. You're going to solve, that should say solve. The right triangles means you find all the missing parts, everything. So let's call this 12, and let's call this one 5. You can use things like Pythagorean theorem. You can use SOHCAHTOA. You can use inverse functions to find angles, but you need to find the measure of angle A here. You need to find side little b and side little a. On this one, you need to find side C measure of angle B, measure of angle A. On this one, if Elizabeth is 62 inches tall, finish this packet. And then page 512, numbers 1 through 4.